Greetings to the Success Step community, and welcome once again to the channel. If you've ever felt like building wealth is an impossible mountain to climb, especially when you're starting with literally nothing, you're in the right place. We all know that financial success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Today, we're breaking down the full, actionable blueprint, 20 steps to build wealth when you're starting with nothing. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about the fundamental mindset shifts, the smart money habits, and the long-term investing principles that turn zero into a million. Get your notebooks ready because it's time to plot your path to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Building wealth from scratch is a journey that requires discipline, strategy, and patience. While the exact path varies for everyone, a comprehensive approach involves a blend of mindset shifts, effective money management, and smart investing. Here is an article detailing 20 key steps to build wealth when you're starting with nothing. 20 steps to build wealth when you're starting with nothing. Foundational steps, mindset and management. The initial phase of wealth building focuses on transforming your financial habits and creating a solid, debt-free base. 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Realize that becoming wealthy is a marathon, not a sprint. Cultivate patience, discipline, and an optimistic outlook. Commit to continuous financial education. 2. Define clear financial goals. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. This could be paying off a specific debt, saving a certain amount for an emergency fund, or achieving a target net worth by a certain age. 3. Assess your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth, or assets minus liabilities, to determine your starting point. Track your income and expenses rigorously for at least a month to understand where every dollar goes. 4. Create a strict budget and live below your means. A budget is a written plan for your money. Use the data from your financial assessment to create one. Commit to living on significantly less than you earn to free up capital for saving and investing. 5. Tackle high-interest debt first. High-interest debt, like credit card debt or payday loans, typically above 7%, is a massive barrier to wealth. Use methods like the debt avalanche, paying highest interest rate first, or the debt snowball, paying smallest balance first for quick wins to eliminate it quickly. 6. Build an emergency fund. Save a readily accessible fund, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This safety net prevents unexpected expenses like a car repair or medical bill from forcing you back into high-interest debt. 7. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and debt payments immediately after getting paid. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures consistency and prevents money from being spent unintentionally. Income and skill enhancement. Your income is your greatest wealth-building tool. These steps focus on maximizing your earning potential. 8. Invest in yourself and your skills. The best investment you can make is in your human capital. Take courses, earn certifications, or pursue further education to increase your value in the job market and command a higher salary. 9. Increase your primary income. Actively seek a raise, promotion, or a higher-paying job. Research market rates for your role and negotiate assertively for what you are worth. Job hopping can often lead to faster salary increases than staying put. 10. Develop multiple income streams, side hustles. Start a side business, freelance, or participate in the gig economy to supplement your main income. Initially, dedicate this extra income solely to debt payoff and savings. 11. Protect your income with insurance. Ensure you have adequate health and, crucially, disability insurance to protect your ability to earn a living if you become unable to work. Consider purchasing term life insurance if you have individuals who depend on you. 12. Master the art of conscious spending. Distinguish clearly between needs and wants. Before any purchase, ask if it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Be frugal on depreciating assets, like cars. Buy reliable, used models. Investing and long-term growth. Once the foundation is solid and debt is minimal, the focus shifts to making your money work for you through compounding. 13. Start investing early and consistently. Time is your biggest advantage due to the power of compounding, where your earnings generate their own earnings. Even small, regular investments will dramatically outperform large investments started late. 14. Prioritize tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Maximize contributions to employer-sponsored plans like a 401k, especially if there's an employer match, that's free money, and individual retirement accounts like a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. 15. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and sectors to mitigate risk. Low-cost, diversified index funds are often recommended for beginners. 16. Practice passive investing. Avoid trying to time the market or pick individual stocks without deep research. Adopt a buy and hold strategy, investing regularly into diversified funds regardless of market fluctuations. 17. Understand and minimize taxes. Use tax-advantaged accounts and be aware of how different investments are taxed. Every dollar saved on taxes is a dollar kept for wealth building. Consult a tax professional as your wealth grows. 18. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Review your investment performance annually and adjust your holdings to ensure they still align with your target allocation and risk tolerance. Advanced strategies and legacy. These steps focus on optimization and securing long-term financial freedom. 19. Build and maintain excellent credit. A high credit score, from paying bills on time and managing debt responsibly, is essential for accessing low interest rates on major purchases like a home, saving you tens of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. 20. Plan your estate and legacy. As your wealth grows, implement basic estate planning, a will, power of attorney, and medical directives. Eventually, consider how you want to manage and distribute your wealth to future generations or causes you care about. Building wealth from nothing is a journey of small, consistent steps. It starts with a commitment to financial literacy and discipline, scales with increased income and savings, and accelerates through smart, long-term investing. Stick to the plan, and you will secure your financial future. And there you have it, the complete 20-step framework for building wealth from scratch. Remember, the biggest secret to this entire process isn't the steps themselves, it's the consistency and the discipline you bring to them every single day. Start small, be patient, and watch the power of compounding change your life. Thank you for tuning in to Success Step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a step on your journey to success. Now go take action.